If you're on Medicare and have been floored by the cost of weight loss drugs like Wegovy or Zepbound, you are definitely not alone. For so many people, these drugs cost well over $1,000 a month, putting them completely out of reach. But a major change is coming to Medicare that could drop your monthly copay to just $50. This is a real, temporary government program kicking off on July 1, 2026, designed to make these game-changing drugs affordable for millions of seniors. I'm going to break down what this program is, who qualifies, and the exact steps you need to take to get this huge discount. You're going to want to stick around to understand the details and see if you can take advantage of this opportunity. Let's be real, the frustration is intense. For years, Medicare has been legally blocked from covering drugs prescribed mainly for weight loss. This has left millions of seniors struggling with obesity and related health problems out in the cold, forced to either pay sky-high prices or go without. You see the headlines and hear the success stories, but the price tag makes it feel like it's for someone else. That may change with the new Medicare GLP-1 Bridge program. This is a temporary demonstration program created by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS. Think of it as a bridge, meant to provide immediate, affordable access while they figure out a more permanent solution. The program is set to run from July 1, 2026, through December 31, 2027. For those 18 months, the rules of the game are completely different. So, what exactly is this program? Think of it as a special, temporary coverage route that runs outside of your normal Medicare Part D plan. This is a really important point. The approvals, claims, and payments are all handled by a central system run directly by Medicare, not your insurance company. This means your Part D plan doesn't even have to opt in for you to be eligible. The whole point is to provide limited, first-time ever coverage for specific GLP-1 drugs prescribed for obesity. And the headline benefit is that for those who qualify, the cost is a flat $50 copay for a 1-month supply. Now, which drugs are we talking about? The program is very specific about the drugs it covers, which are all FDA approved for chronic weight management. These include: first, Wegovy, and that covers both the injectable and the newer oral tablet form. Second, Zepbound, but only the quick-pen formulation. The single-dose pen and vials are not covered. And third, a newer pill called Foundio. It's just as important to know what's not covered. This program will not pay for compounded versions of these drugs. Only the brand name products I just listed are on the list. Also, if you take a GLP-1 like Ozempic or Mounjaro for a reason that Part D already covers, like managing type 2 diabetes, you'll continue to get it through your regular plan. This new program is only for people seeking coverage specifically for weight loss. This is the most critical part of the video, so listen closely. Not everyone on Medicare will get this benefit. The eligibility rules are very specific, and you have to meet all of them. First, the basic requirements. 1. You must have Medicare Part D prescription drug coverage. This could be a standalone plan you have with Original Medicare or part of a Medicare Advantage plan, often called an MAPD. 2. You can't already be eligible to get a GLP-1 drug through your current Part D plan. For example, if you have type 2 diabetes, moderate to severe sleep apnea, or fatty liver disease, your plan might already cover a GLP-1 for you. If that's the case, you continue using your regular benefits and are not eligible for this bridge program. This program is for people who have been denied coverage because they need the drug for weight loss. If you meet those basic rules, you're halfway there. The next step is meeting the clinical criteria, which is about your body mass index, or BMI, and related health conditions. Your doctor calculates your BMI based on your height and weight. The government has laid out a few pathways for clinical eligibility. Tier 1. If your BMI is 35 or higher, you qualify based on that alone. Tier 2. If your BMI is between 30 and 34.9, you must also have at least one other diagnosed health issue, such as diastolic heart failure, uncontrolled hypertension, or chronic kidney disease. Tier 3. If your BMI is between 27 and 29.9, you'll need to have at least one different condition, such as prediabetes, a previous heart attack or stroke, or symptomatic peripheral artery disease. These rules are strict, so it's essential to review them carefully with your doctor. They'll be the one confirming your eligibility. So you think you qualify? What's next? The process isn't automatic. You and your doctor need to take a few specific steps. You don't enroll in the program with a separate form. You get access once your prescription is approved. Here's your step-by-step guide. Step 1. Talk to your doctor. This is where it all starts. Make an appointment, have your doctor confirm your BMI, and specifically ask if you might qualify for the Medicare GLP-1 Bridge program. Use that exact name. Discuss whether Wegovy, Zepbound, or Foundayo is the right fit for you. Step 2. Your doctor submits the prescription and prior authorization. This is a key step for your doctor. First, they'll send the prescription to your pharmacy like usual. But then, they must also submit a separate prior authorization request to a central processing center run by Medicare. In that request, your doctor will confirm that you meet the specific BMI and health criteria we just discussed and that you're participating in a lifestyle program with diet and exercise. Step 3. Medicare confirms your eligibility. After the prior authorization is sent in, Medicare's central processor reviews it behind the scenes. Once approved, you should get a confirmation letter from Medicare in the mail. Step 4. Pick up your medication for a $50 copay. Once the pharmacy gets the green light, you can pick up your 1-month supply and pay your flat $50 copay. That's it. Once you're approved for a drug, that approval is good through the end of the program on December 31, 2027, so you won't need a new authorization for refills or even dose changes of that same medication. That $50 copay is an amazing deal, but there's some very important fine print about how it works with the rest of your Medicare plan. Please pay close attention to this part. Because this bridge program operates outside of your standard Part D plan, your $50 monthly payments do not count toward your annual Part D deductible. And here's the big one. That $50 you pay every month does not count toward your annual out-of-pocket maximum. For 2026, that cap is set at $2,100. Normally, your copays help you reach that cap, but the money you spend in this bridge program is in a completely separate bucket. Finally, if you get the low-income subsidy, also known as LIS or extra help, that assistance does not apply to this $50 copay. The cost is a flat $50 for everyone who qualifies. This doesn't make it a bad deal. Saving over 90% on a $1,000 drug is a huge win. But you have to know these financial details to plan your healthcare budget for the year. To sum it all up, the new, temporary Medicare GLP-1 Bridge program starts July 1, 2026, and offers a $50 monthly copay for Wegovy, Zepbound, and Foundayo for weight loss. The program is scheduled to run through the end of 2027. Eligibility is strict and is based on your Part D enrollment, BMI, and specific health conditions. The key is to work directly with your doctor, who needs to confirm you qualify and submit the special prior authorization to Medicare. This program is a temporary test. The plan is to follow it up with a new program called the Balance Model, but details on that are still developing. That makes it even more important to stay informed.